Hi guys, welcome to the video. Today I'll be doing a comparison between the YSL Lou Camera bag and the Gucci Marmont Matelasse mini bag. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. But before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and please like this video if you enjoyed it. So between these two bags, as you can see, they're both camera style bags, with the exception that the YSL Lou Camera bag is a little bit bigger. They are very similar in structure. They both have the stitching within the bag. They're both kind of has a little sheen on the leather, so it's not completely matte. They're both very squishy bags, but very structured at the same time. This is what the bottom looks like. It has a smooth leather, so it doesn't have the stitching all around the bottom and the sides. The biggest difference, I would say, the back of the bag on the Gucci Marmont has the double GG, whereas this has the same pattern as it has on the front. So the interior for this is just full on black, and then it also has a side pocket. The Gucci also has one compartment, and it also has one side pocket, but this one has a suede-like interior. The pull tab on the YSL is just a small pull tab, whereas the Gucci has a long tassel. The YSL has an accessory attached to the bag. This can be detached from the bag, and it has tassels at the end. It says Saint Laurent. The Gucci also has a chain detail. The strap on the YSL bag is adjustable. The one with the Gucci strap is not adjustable. So let's talk about the pros and cons. With the YSL Lou Camera bag, this has more choices. It has different materials, different colors. It also has different hardware colors. So there are more options for the Lou Camera bag. And the Gucci Marmont has a few options with some limited edition. So the pros for this one is that because the interior is light, you're able to see your items a little bit better. And then also, I do enjoy the chain detail. I think it kind of adds a nice details to the bag. And I would say that the pull tab is a little bit more convenient to open and close the bag because it is so long. This is obviously you only have a couple of choices, and it is very compact, so you would have to be more practical in what you put inside this bag. So this is what it looks like with all the things I have in the Lou Camera bag. So I have the glasses, lipstick, I have a card holder in the side pocket, 6 key holder, tissues. I have the first mini pochette, and then I can also fit another mini pochette in here. So I'm sure you can put a little bit more in there, but this is what I decided to put inside. So let's see how it looks like in the Gucci Marmont. And this is what I have inside the Gucci Marmont. I have one less mini pochette in there, but have similar items. So again, glasses, the card holder on the side pocket, keys, mini pochette, and tissue. But I do find that if you take out your smaller items from the mini pochette, it does give a little bit more space to put it all in there, because you can kind of arrange it the way you like and it fits a little bit more. So which one should you choose? If you're somebody who likes to bring a little bit more extra, or who just needs a little bit more space, or likes to have more options, I would probably go for the YSL Lou Camera bag. I would also choose the Lou Camera bag if you like the option of an adjustable strap. But if you're somebody who only brings a few items on a daily basis, and you just like the suede interior a little bit more, then I would probably choose the Gucci Marmont in the mini size. I do find that this is easier to open just because it has a longer pull tab. Either way, I don't think you can go wrong with either bags. They're just great options. They're very low maintenance because they're both in the black, and they don't have any light leather, so you don't really have to worry about the color transfer. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Again, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.